Hi boys and girls, welcome to math. This week in math we're learning about money, and today we're going to look at a coin called a penny. Now you probably know what a penny looks like, and this here is a blown up picture of a penny. It's really big. This is kind of an older style of a penny, but a penny is the smallest, has the smallest value of a coin. It's just 1 cent, and it looks like this color basically. It has looks like copper, has some copper material in it, and a penny. You need 100 pennies to make $1, okay? And how do we write the sign for a penny? Now let me show you. I'm going to draw it here. I'm going to go ahead and get the color black. This is 1 penny, so this is 1 cent. So it looks like a C and then a line straight through, or sometimes it just has a little top and bottom part, not through the middle. But that is the sign for cent. Okay, so this is 1 cent. So if we have one of these, it's 1 cent. Let's imagine if we had 20 of these. How many would that be? How would we write that? 2, 0, that's 20 cents. So we would put the amount of cents with the sign for cent. Okay, and then how about another number? How about 12? We would write 12. And how do you write 12? There's a 1 and a 2. 12 is 2 more than 10. And then the sign for cents. And I'm going to do the other way to do that sign for cents. It's easier just to put a line all the way straight through, but sometimes you see it like that. Okay, so the sign for cents, I'll do it a little bit bigger, is a C, little C, and then a line straight through. And here is the other way. You'll see it sometimes. It's just easier to go ahead and just put a line straight through when you're writing the sign for cents. All right, so now that is a cent, and there's we need 100 cents to make $1. So would you pay for something at the store? It's a very messy 100. Would you pay for something at the store with pennies? Well, imagine for a second. Imagine something costs $3. Okay, so for each dollar you need 100 cents, and you need something. You're buying something for $3. Here's that dollar sign. It's S in front of it, okay, and it shows that's $3. You have something for you would need 3 sets of 100. That would be 300 pennies. That would be so much. That would be a huge bag of coins. So most people don't actually pay with pennies, but it's important to know how many pennies or cents you need to make $1. Okay, so $1 is made of 100 of these, 100 cents. All right, boys and girls. So now we're going to take a look at our stepping stones. We're going to move ahead. Just before we do, here is a purse, and inside this purse, little coin purse, how many pennies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 cents in this purse. Let's keep going. How about now? How many cents are in that purse? 5. Good. Did you supersize that? Very good. All right, and let's keep going. How many is that? 6 cents in the purse. Very good. All right, so we're going to go on to our stepping stones now. And we are on page 167. And we're going to work with pennies. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to color, or if you don't have crayons, if you have a pencil, you could just circle them. But we're going to color a certain amount of cents that are represented to be in these little coin purses, okay? They're on top of them, but it's like you're imagining they're inside. All right, so the first one says color 10 cents. So now I don't have a crayon here online, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to circle 10 cents. Okay, so I'm going to first count 10 cents out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's more than 10. There's actually a few more over here, but I'm just going to circle 10 cents. So let me go ahead and get my writing tool again. And I'm going to circle, but you can go ahead and color those 10 cents. Let me just make sure I have 10. That's right. So actually I had more than 10. I had 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I had 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. But I just want to circle or color 10 cents. Now over here, color 13 cents. So count 13 and either circle those or color those. And then 15 and 11. All right. Now, in the last part here, you're going to actually make some pennies, and then you're going to circle them. Okay. So actually it says trace around more pennies to show 7 cents in total. Now if you have a penny there at the house, you can use that. If you don't, you can just kind of draw some more pennies here. So I'm going to show you what I mean. Not a perfect circle, but about the same size as that. That's how many is that total now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do I need more? I need to get to 7. Yes, I need one more. There. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I have 7. Now that's what I'm looking for, 7. So we need to, looks like, draw 2 more. Okay. You can trace around pennies. If you have a penny there, trace around it 2 times, or just draw it. All right, boys and girls, thank you for working with me today with pennies, and thank you for joining me for math.